Hi, I'm Crystal Edson. I'm the archivist on the Meinecke Resurrection Project. When we pulled these papers out of the basement, there was a giant blue tarp tucked away in the back of the basement next to a filing cabinet, and it appears to be the entire book of business from the Meinecke Architectural Studios. Robert Bruce Teague was a very well-respected architect in Chicago. He built some things that are on the Historic Properties Registry. The partnership of Meinecke and Teague as designers and architects was enormously fruitful. They rehabilitated, just from the documents alone, at least a couple hundred, and built a significant number of condominiums, townhouses, and individual homes, primarily in Chicago's Lincoln Park area. This is reasonably elderly Robert Bruce Teague sitting in this room, and you can see some of the same Meinecke paintings behind him. This 2022 Cleveland was actually where they lived for a number of years, and Tristan had envisioned this X-shaped property that was designed to take advantage of some things that Teague had learned about capturing sunlight through windows. And this building, I think, is the one that got Tristan Meinecke interested in architecture. When an architect looks at a building, they don't see the box on the outside that the person dwelling in it sees. They see all of the systems and all of the pipes and all of the wirings traveling through the inside, like the skeleton inside of the body. And that interior view superimposed on the exterior view of how it's beautiful to make use of and look at, I think, is something that characterized Tristan's perspective of the whole world. He tried to see everything and succeeded in seeing everything from the inside and from the outside at the same time. Tristan, at least, had done so much of it, or had such steadiness, that he could just go and draw a straight line freehand. So these little symbols here, at first when I ran across this, I thought this was a piece of art, but as I looked at more of the architectural drawings, these are specific symbols that refer to different kinds of electrical outlets and different kinds of drainage connections. So what this is a sketch of a system of interconnecting outlets without a building. The plan of the building in his mind, and drawing only the connections, imagining the walls. I have come to see it as this is just another work of art, transforming a geographical area rather than transforming a canvas from the slum that Scott and Brad grew up in into the ritzy, posh neighborhood that it is now.